Home remedy to use and say goodbye to diabetes, cholesterol, liver problems, and eliminate accumulated fat. Some people spend a lot of money on medications, although they are causing unwanted side effects. However, many people nowadays turn to natural and alternative remedies to treat various conditions. This amazing cilantro home remedy is cheap, highly effective, completely safe for our health, and don't provoke any side effects. Cilantro is a popular herb, which is known as one of the most beneficial and natural treatments. For centuries, it has been used as a natural remedy for diabetes, liver and pancreas problems, high cholesterol levels, and elimination of body fat. Cilantro is very low in saturated fat and cholesterol. It has a good source of flavonoids, phytonutrients, and phenolic compounds. Also, it has a very good source of vitamin K, 12.4 mcg, vitamin A, 270 IU, potassium, 20.8 mg, and folate, 2.5 mcg. In addition, it has a high content of magnesium, calcium, iron, dietary fiber, and vitamins C, E. Its regular consumption will fortify the hair, teeth, and bones, and helps to support healthy cardiovascular function. Here are some of the many benefits of this amazing cilantro home remedy. Regulates the sugar levels in the blood. It prevents the accumulation of fat in the body. Prevents eye problems. It treats conjunctivitis. Prevents colon cancer. Reduces heavy metals from the body. Relieves skin irritations. Prevents oxidative stress. Prevents the oxalates accumulation in the kidneys and the formation of kidney stones. Boosts sleep and treat anxiety. Improves the liver function. Treats most urinary tract infections. Treats diarrhea and other digestive issues. Works amazingly against ulcers. Improves digestion. Is a potent diuretic. Prepare the following cilantro remedy if you suffer from kidney stones or high blood pressure, and eliminate the excess body fat. Ingredients: a pot of water, a handful of cilantro. Preparation: at first, boil the water, add the chopped cilantro in it, then let the mixture to cool, and strain it. Drink this tea during the entire day and improve your overall health.